Over the last few weeks, we've dove into one of my favorite side hustles, if not my very favorite side hustle, and that's sneaker reselling. Sneaker reselling is one of the most popular ways to make money. Why? Because just like me and you, everybody loves sneakers and everybody's willing to pay for them. So today, we're gonna do this a little differently than we usually do it. Today, instead of just talking to you about it, I'm actually gonna do it. I'm actually gonna document turning $100 to $1,000. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little sneaker reselling challenge. If you've seen any of my other videos, then we talked about the different avenues you could take as far as reselling sneakers. And so for this challenge, we're gonna try to buying new releases for retail and then selling them for resale price. Now, I ain't gonna lie, that route is gonna require just a little luck, as getting sneakers on release date is not easy one bit. Now, if we strike out, we can go the second avenue, and that's the department store flip route. And that route is a lot more footwork because it's not as big profit margins, making our path to $1,000 that much more longer. But hey, it might become necessary. And if it comes to that, we're gonna have to roll our sleeves up and do what we gotta do. So it's the week of November the 16th, and I realize we have a huge problem. But we only got $100, right, to start. And the only thing that retails under $100 that we can make profit on is the Yeezy slides, the Yeezy Wave Runners, and the Nike Dunk. Now Dunks usually retail at around $100, and they usually resell for about $250. And so that's actually what we need to go for. And so this week we actually have a good chance of hitting on some cops that will be super profitable. Wednesday, there's a pair of Dunks dropping. Thursday, there's a pair of Dunks dropping. Once again, if you know the sneaker market, Dunks are very profitable. So we got the ceramic Dunks and the cactus plant flea market Dunks, all right, with the rhinestones all over them. Bro, how awesome would it be if we could start our reselling empire off of one of those two shoes? Quick update, the cactus plant flea market Dunks are retailing for $300, so no, we don't have a chance at those. So it looks like the ceramics it is. So I joined this cook group because when you playing this type of game, you need to be in a cook group. You need to be getting inside information. In there, I learned everywhere I need to go find the ceramics. So the ceramics, they're dropping on the Sneakers app on Thursday. A couple skate shops. There's a couple raffles I entered in. So let's enter them. Let's see if we get lucky. And we also gonna go for them on the Sneakers app, because I'm telling you, if we get lucky on these, I'm telling you, bro, we off to a good running start. Man, I can't wait. It's gonna be lit. So, bro, I'm heated. I just took an L on the ceramics. On every site, sneakers, kids, concepts, just took an L, bro, and I'm heated. So the challenge still has to go on though. So now it's back to the back cave to brainstorm some different ways on how I can turn this $100 to $1,000. Alright, so at that point, I really didn't know what I was gonna do. I was really thinking like, wow, bro, maybe in 2020, it's not possible to do the retail to resell, get them on release day business model. So at that point, I ain't gonna lie, I almost thought, man, this challenge might be over. I was just trying to be positive. And then this happened. I got this weird notification. I had got exclusive access on the Sneakers app to cop the metallic gold Jordan 1s. Now, Jordan 1s typically retail closer to the $100 side. And if you're unfamiliar with the resale market, then I'll just tell you like this. Most Jordan 1s are safer than most stock, meaning the longer you hold, the more they go up in value. They're almost always increasing in value over time. However, in this challenge, we looking to sell, not hold, because I'm sure y'all don't have a year to wait to find out what happens with this challenge. So I also got to be transparent. These retail for $170. So I had to dig a little deeper than the $100 we had to start with, but I'll find a way to make that up later on in the challenge. But hey, when you get exclusive access on sneakers, you cannot pass it down. You can't turn it down. Sometimes you got to dig deeper. And these don't actually retail until the 30th of November, the end of the month. So getting them early is definitely going to give us an advantage as far as the value. What is here? Let's go ahead and get these boys opened up. Your packages are sitting ducks if you ordering from Nike, because they use their branding. Alright, so here's the box, size 12. This is my size. Too bad I gotta resell them. Amazing. amazing. Man, these hard, y'all. These may or may not get sold. Let's see. We might have to start our $100 to $1,000 flip challenge again. Yes, and they gave me early access to get them. All right, so now at this point, we officially $170 in the hole. So on eBay, StockX, I'm seeing these trend for around $300. Because if we can get these off for that much, then man, just think about the next move we can make with $300. If we can get that, then we can start going after whatever pair we want, causing way bigger profits. But you thought I was gonna tell you this episode, and I'm not. You gotta wait till next episode. So if you're into sneaker reselling, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on what happens on episode 2, how much we end up selling these for, you know, just to follow along the journey and see if we could turn $100 into $1,000 by reselling sneakers. So I'm gonna sign off for tonight. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.